Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from total pressure, force and center of pressure. So in the given question, a hinge gate of length 5 meter inclined at 30 degree with the horizontal and with water mass on its left is shown in the figure below. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Question is find the minimum mass of the gate in kg per unit width perpendicular to the plane of paper required to keep it closed. So 5,000, 66,000, 7546 and 9623. This is given as an option, and you have to find the minimum mass of the gate in kg. Point to be noted in kg. And density of water is 1000 kg given per meter cube. 5 meter is the hinge gate of length and 30 degree horizontal inclined. Okay, so what is 30 degree? You can see here I am drawing here. This angle is the 30 degree given. And where is the free surface? This is a free surface. So all the angles and distances must be measured with respect to free surface, correct? So some construction work is required, we'll do that. This is your, let us say, G point. This is your G point, center of gravity, correct? So G point is here. We can find also H bar and H star. So first thing we'll try to find out H bar and value of H star. Okay, H bar and H star. This is a very important data required for this problem. So some construction we'll do. So what is the concept here? So because of the presence of the water on the left side, this water will exert a force. The water will exert a force exactly normal to the surface, plane surface, like this. Look at this. I'm drawing a red line. Yeah. So this is the normal hydrostatic force. You can write F. This is the F force acting on the surface, normal to the surface. So where is Cp? This is Cp only, right? This is Cp, center of pressure. Where the total hydrostatic force will pass, that point is known as Cp. One force will also pass through the center of gravity. What is the name of that force? Weight, correct? So this is another force, weight. So from the G, center of gravity, weight will be passing in the downward direction, weight equal to mg, correct? So you can see, because of this force, this is the hinge point, this is the hinge point. So because of this force, the gate will try to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, and because of the weight of the gate, G is acting in the downward direction. So this weight force, W equal to mg, will try to rotate the gate in the clockwise direction, correct? So question is, you have to find the minimum mass of the gate so that the gate should not open. That means these two forces must be balanced, correct? So we have to balance the torque in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. This is our target. So we'll do the same thing. I'll write the equation and then we'll try to find out the required components. So let us say this point is O. This point is O, hinge point. So I'll write the equation here. Balancing moment at O. Okay, balancing moment at O. What we are getting? This force F into perpendicular distance, correct? So perpendicular distance is from O to Cp. This is distance, let us say O to Cp. This is one distance, equal to W. So we already know this distance, no? Cg distance, that is this part, dotted line. This is 2.5, right? This is 2.5 and this is also 2.5, correct? So better, this perpendicular distance is already known to this. So we'll take the component normal to the surface, like this. We'll take this component normal to the surface, correct? So what is the name of this component? W cos 30, correct? This angle will be with 30 degree, right? Theta 30 degree. And what about this angle? Now we are going to make another angle also. Okay, let us see. This is the angle I'm talking about. Yeah, this angle, right? So this angle is how much? This angle is 60 degree, right? Blue color. Let us say OBG. I'm giving this name. Okay. So what we'll do with this triangle, we'll try to find out h bar actually. We'll try to find out h bar. Okay, h bar value. So let me complete the equation. F into O dash Cp. So this is the moment in the anti-clockwise direction. So what we'll get the moment in the clockwise direction? W cos theta. W cos theta. Theta is a 30 degree. Given theta. W cos theta into perpendicular distance here OG. That's all. This is the final equation actually. This is the final equation. Only thing is that you have to substitute the value. Correct? So now we will start. Let us say rho. What is the formula of rho? Sorry, what is the formula of F? Rho G A H bar. Rho G A H bar. Right. So you can see rho is given, G is known, area we can find out, H bar is unknown data, right? So we'll find the H bar value, right? H bar. How to find H bar? Where is H bar? This is H bar, right? Look at this. O to B distance is your H bar. So I'll take in triangle OBG, in triangle OBG, in triangle OBG, cos 60, cos 60 equal to B by H. What is B? B is your OB and hypotenuse here is your OG, B by H. Okay. So cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2. OB is your H bar and OG is your 2.5. Correct. So H bar out of this coming to be 2.5 by 2, that is 1.25 meter. This is the H bar. So just substitute here. Okay, we'll substitute later. Let us find out H star also. So H bar is known. Now OCP, this is the only thing. If you see in the right hand side, OG is known to you. Look at this right hand side. OG is known to you. 2.5 cos 30 from the calculator you can get it. Inside W we are having mg. G is known and we have to find out. That means on the right hand side everything is known. Only left thing is that OCP. So how we can find OCP? Look at this new triangle I'm trying to draw. A bigger triangle here. Yeah. This angle is same 60 degree, right? Angle is same 60 degree. I'll keep the point A here. Keep the point A here. So first of all, H star value. H star value is nothing. We have to. This is H star, no? This is H star, right? H star from, yeah. This is H star. So what is H star first of all? So we know the basic concept that in a triangle, if you know one side and one angle, you can find the other one, right? So in the first case, one angle 60 degree was given to you and OG value 2.5 was given. So we found the H star. Okay. In this case, vertical distance, we found the H bar. In this case, in the next triangle, bigger triangle, H star is given. H star will be known because from the formula we can find H star. And then we'll find the value of your perpendicular distance, that is your OCP. Angle is 60 same. So let us find H star first. What is the formula of H star? IG sin square theta by AH bar plus H bar. So IG is your BD cube by 12. So one is width is given, depth is 5 cube by 12. Sin square theta, sin square 30 degree divided by area of the plane surface 1 into 5 into 1.25 plus 1.25. If you calculate, you are getting H star equal to 1.6666 meter. Okay, please take the value up to 3 to 4 digit of decimal, then only your answer will be matching exactly with the given option. Now OCP. So we'll take another triangle In triangle OACP, this triangle cos 60 will write cos 60 equal to B by H, hypotenuse. B is your base, that is your H star, and hypotenuse is your OCP, right? That is we want to find out. So OCP distance equal to H star, that is 1.666 by cos 60, 1 by 2. So it is coming to be equal to 3.333 meter. That's all. Now everything is known. We just put the value, we'll get the answer. So this is your OCP value. Then W is your mg cos theta into OG, right? Now we'll put the value directly. Rho is your 1000, G is your 9.81, area is your 1 into 5 into H bar. H bar is 1.25, correct, into OCP 3.333 equal to M. M is unknown data that we have to find. G is again 9.81 into cos 30, and the last is OG, that is 2.5. So if you calculate this equation to find out the value of M, you will get 962122 something to 1.5 kg, near to that. It depends upon how much decimal you are taking, 9621, 9622. So your correct answer is D, 9623. Correct answer is D, 9623. Okay, thank you.